homegirl is looking raggedy. So, everything is moving pretty quickly. We got the notion that we were going to be moving early August, and so we will be moving sooner than we anticipated. So, we were at a hotel for 2 nights, and we extended a night, so a total of 3 nights. And we took our work with us, like we always do, and it was great. We didn't get to do any kind of crafts or anything, but we did all of the basic work. So I'll share with you guys some highlights of what we did this week and what kind of fun and frivolous things that we get into this past week. It was really exciting because we got all our curriculum in, finally. The curriculum that we decided on, a lot of it hadn't come in yet, so I just printed pages from the internet in the interim. But our books finally came in, so the girls were really excited about that. So I'll share some clips from the unboxing and our experience, because there's nothing better than getting fresh new books and new packages like that. Smell that? Smell that? It's fantastic. So anyway, I'll share that with you. I plan on doing a moving video. I planned on doing a before and after schoolroom video, but it is empty as F in here. There is nothing in here anymore. I told them I would need the basic necessities, so we literally just have our curriculum, some of our manipulatives and kits, yeah, and now the rest is just here for the time being. And this is our basic books and current curriculum, current supplies, and that is it. And a table, and good old me, the sort of the show, in an empty ass room. Bon. This thing does not stay. We're gonna put 1, and then what's the other one gonna go? Yeah. Now 4 plus 0 is 4. Vivian asked me, Mom, I can color it however I want to? And I told her, yes! Yes! I said, you can do whatever you like. You can do whatever you like. Yeah! I treat you so special, so nice. You can color however you like. Yeah! It is the chipmunks! Second grade social studies book. Handwriting. Oh, your handwriting without tears. Hey, Beyonce's first social studies book. Yay! Who is that? You know who that is? His name is George Washington. And the Blue Mountain Monster. And this one's called Poodle Knows What. Wow! And this one is Michael Clay Thompson. Student of social studies. I love. What's his name? What's his name? Look in the mirror. Say hi. Let's walk like this, go. Because it was actually a cartoon, yeah. And this is a C9, and this is all a 6. So that's what it's about for that problem. Excellent. So, hi guys. I'm in school at 9. That's what came. My homework. And tonight, there's my other 3 bucks, and my other 3 bucks, and my other one. I did mine. Hi guys. Today, I have handwriting and a other handwriting to do. This is my sister, say hi. She's complicated and witty. And there's my handwriting that's yours. There's my scientist application. So pretty. So bro, you wanna know what this is? It is called History. Unbox. Box. Let me show you. Ready? Like this. It goes. History. Unbox. Alright, so here's what I have for my kindergartner's curriculum. Starting here, we have our language arts. So for writing, we have handwriting without tears. There's more manipulatives and other things that I ordered that are on the way. This is handwriting, but italicized writing. So this is introduction into cursive writing. So here we have Explode the Code, which is all phonics. And in addition, we'll be doing this together. Michael Clay Thompson. We'll be starting Poodle Knows What together, and then we'll move on to Grammar Island and then build as we go. I just bought the whole package together that came with the consumables only. And then also our big dog here, Blossom and Root. So here I have the lessons planned here, and then here's the main literature portion. Then we have our nature notebook and history. So this is Blossom and Root is our language arts, but also going to be supplementary science and social science. And also for language arts, we also have an Introduction to Learning. This is what I used to introduce reading to Violet, my now second grader, and this helped her to read so quickly. And so Vivian, my kindergartner, is now on this, and she can read these pretty well too. And these are just so amazing. I love these. And then for science, we have sassafras, and we'll be doing botany first, of course, as we will be building our garden. We'll be doing this together as a group. And so for now, I just have the coloring pages in here, and so they color while I do read aloud. And then also for math, we have dimensions. We have both workbooks and textbooks. This time I opted out of the teacher's guides. For history, we're doing 180 days of social studies. I like this because we get to say go and do those pages and then submit those as work samples. And then for our collaborative group history, we're going to be trying History Unboxed, which is so dope. And so we got our first box, and so I'm excited for us to do that together. And that's for kindergarten. So the only major difference here is that Violet will be doing some additional handwriting without tears, her A Goodbye B book, Explode the Code 2 book, but then they came out with like 1.5, 2.5, so she's going to go and do 1.5 after this Explode the Code 2. And then here she has her Blossom Root for second grade. We have her nature book, and then her history of me. I'll be putting and adding more stuff in here, like art and music and math and stuff like that. And then, we were going to do this last year, and it's more like reading comprehension, and we didn't get to it, so we're going to do this with Violet primarily, but I want to include my kindergartner too, but primarily Violet. And then, again, we'll be doing the Michael Clay Thompson, and then Sassafras we'll do together. This is her book, and here's the book that we read, and the guide. And then again, she's doing dimensions as well, but we left off on 2B last year, so I wanted to finish up 2B before we got started on 3A, so about a month, 2 months or so into this one before we can start this guy. And then she's got her second grade social studies, and then History Unboxed. Fire!